Hello and welcome to my latest SolidWorks LEGO Build and Learn series, the Volvo Wheel Loader. Recently I live streamed the SolidWorks modeling and assembly of this LEGO set, and now I've edited those 12 hours of live streams into 9 compact episodes. The series is targeted at beginner to intermediate level SolidWorks users, and you don't need to complete the part modeling from every episode to have a go at the assembly, because I've made all of the 26 parts free to download. I've even exported the assembly in step files, so that if you don't have SolidWorks 2023 or newer, or you've got a different CAD system entirely, you can still have a go at the project. In this series, you can expect to see the use of common features such as extrudes, cuts, revolves, and sweeps, along with more complex use of sketch and feature patterns, mirrors, move copy bodies, and the combine tool, and of course, assembly tools where I bring all of the parts together. I take you through my modeling process step by step, showing my workflow and even my mistakes. I think modeling Lego is an effective way to learn SolidWorks for designers because of the wide variety of parts and the shared design systems that they all use. Now, who am I to suggest such fun? Well, my name is Chris Berkner. I'm a product design engineer here in Melbourne, Australia. I've been using SolidWorks for 20 years and became a certified expert in 2012. Now, on the side of my job designing cool mounts for quad lock, I'm here to teach others the power of SolidWorks for designers and make professional grade SolidWorks skills fun and accessible. And hey, to finish off the introduction for this project, a few notes for those new Skool users. I'm setting up a Skool community. Entry to the community is free, and access to this first lesson of the Volvo Wheel Loader is completely free as well. You'll find inside Skool, the lessons have been set up in a way to give additional resources and opportunities for you to ask questions that might not be captured easily on a YouTube channel. Please be aware, I'm in the process of setting it up and refining the layouts and formats of the lessons and structure of my Skool community and classrooms. So there will be some things under construction as you go, but I am really looking forward to hearing your feedback, seeing what you have trouble with, if you think any of the content is missing certain elements, or in fact, where I might take the next series. Please share with your friends and colleagues. Don't be afraid to reach out to me either via the Skool community on LinkedIn or through Discord. You'll find links throughout the YouTube channel, the video descriptions, or throughout the Skool community. I really want to hear from you guys and to find out how I can most effectively help you become a better designer or engineer. All right, now let's get stuck into the lessons.